Migraine. How to know you have a migraine. In this video we are going to know about the symptoms of migraine. Let's start. Migraine is headache that can cause severe throbbing pain or pulsating sensation usually on one side of head. Symptoms: pain areas in the eyes, face or neck. Headache can be acute, frequent or throbbing. Sensitivity to light, distorted vision or seeing flash of light. Dizziness, light-headed or malaise. Nausea, vomiting. Other symptoms: irritability, nasal congestion, scalp tenderness. Do you have these symptoms?